A black hole is an object in space that has collapsed under the force of its own gravity to become incredibly dense and compact. It is called a black hole because its gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from it once it gets too close. Here are some key points to explain its each and everything. Formation. Black holes are formed when massive stars run out of fuel and collapse in on themselves. As the star collapses, its core becomes so dense that it creates a gravitational field so strong that even light cannot escape. Size. Black holes come in different sizes, from small ones that are only a few times more massive than our Sun to supermassive ones that can have the mass of billions of suns. Event horizon. The event horizon is the point of no return for anything that gets too close to a black hole. Once something passes the event horizon, it is pulled in by the black hole's gravity and cannot escape. Singularity. The singularity is the point at the center of a black hole where the laws of physics break down. It is a point of infinite density and gravity, where space and time are distorted beyond recognition. Effects on surroundings. The intense gravity of a black hole can have profound effects on its surroundings. For example, it can pull in nearby matter and create accretion disks that emit X-rays and other forms of radiation. Hawking radiation. According to Stephen Hawking's theory, black holes can emit a type of radiation called Hawking radiation. This occurs because of quantum effects near the event horizon, and it causes the black hole to gradually lose mass over time. Importance in astrophysics. Black holes are important in astrophysics because they can help us understand the evolution of galaxies and the universe as a whole. By studying the effects of black holes on their surroundings, we can learn about the nature of gravity, the behavior of matter in extreme environments, and the origins of cosmic structures. In summary, black holes are incredibly dense objects with a gravitational pull so strong that nothing can escape once it gets too close. They are formed from the collapse of massive stars and come in different sizes. The event horizon marks the point of no return, and the singularity is the point of infinite density at the center of the black hole. Black holes can have profound effects on their surroundings, emit Hawking radiation, and are important for understanding the evolution of the universe. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell button icon for the latest updates. Keep visiting the channel and also share with friends and family.